Hello dear students, I am Anil Kumar from Mechanical Engineering Departments. I am talking about the measurement and inspection. Measurement is the very important uh, topic at which you are used in industries for the measurement of any machining components, and also we are compare the any value which are you inspect in your industry and to compare the value to the standardization value. So we are talking about the today measurement and inspection. For the measuring of any quantity and also comparing of any quality quantity to the standard value, you have the knowledge about the measuring quality, and also you have to knowledge about the instrument that we use for the comparing and analysis of data and analysis of value for a particular object or particular product and for particular data. So you have the knowledge about the measuring instruments. This is the very important things. If you have the knowledge about the instrument, then you can find the comparable data for your the product, and you can analyze the things. So this is the very important point. First, we are discuss about the measurement and inspection. So we are discuss about the measurement. Measurement is the point we are used for measuring the any object or event, and also measurement is defined by the use industry to for the comparison of standard value to of your data or your object or event. So we are just comprise the value and analysis the value of anything for the in standard value. So measurement is the numerical quantity which is given in this slides. Measurement is the numerical quantitization of attributes of an object or event which can use to compare things with other objects or event. That means you can uh, compare the any product or any data or any things to the standard value of the any object. This is called the measurement. Simply you can compare the your analysis value and your data to the standard values. That is called the measurement. And also inspection value is given. Inspection is a manufacturing includes measuring, examination, testing or gauging one or more characteristics of an object or process. Inspection means you can inspect your object. Just example, for industry you can manufacture any product in your on your machine in industry. To so you just analyze the product and inspect the product are good or not, or product are feasible or not. Then you can measure the all the parameters, just like measuring their dimensions and measuring their quantities and measuring their weights. And you can just determine the and you also examine the various procedure, and you can also test the testing the object which are object is feasible or not according to the given your data. So this is the inspection is just is the to inspect your object and for before your use. So this is the very important point, inspection. Third point is given comparing the result with specified requirements to determine where is the requirement of for each characteristics. This is the very important point for the inspection and measurements. Standard for measurement. There are some standard are defined for the measurement of your quantity and measurement of your objects, and some of the parameter are measured and compared with the standard value. So some of the standard is defined. Just we saw in this slides, standardization is the process of implementing and developing technical standard based on the consequences of different parties that include firms, user, intercept groups, standards organization, and governments. Standardization can help to maximize capability, interoperability, safety, repeatability or quality. This is the some standard values are used in the various many fields for the increasing your quality of the product, and you can explore your work and compatibility interchange, and for you can use for the safety purpose. As per your department requirement, we are define the some standard parameter for the your safety purpose and for your quality purpose of your object. For example, the some of the high speed limits is defined in your highway roads, just used for the safety purpose of the vehicles. That is the standard values. Some of for the particular product, the standardization is defined according to your standards organization and government standardization, and all the work is made or manufacture or compare with the standard value for the increasing your compatibility, interoperability, safety, repeatability or quality. This is the use of standardization of measurement. Second point, it can also facilitate commodition of formality custom process. This is the standards of measurements. Next one is the measurement standard. Just there are the some two types of measurement which is so in this slide. Just is line standard and end standard. These are the two parameters we are is in case of standardization, and these are types of standardization: line standardization and end type standardization measurements. In case of line standardization standard, when the length being measured as expressed as the distance between two lines. This is known as obviously line standard, imperial standard, yard and international standards. Meter or the line standard both comes under primary standard of length measurement. Just like this is the length of standards. If you want to measure a 1 meter of cloth, so you can measure 1 meter of cloth by the using of scale. This scale is made by the using of some standard value, and this is perfect. How to find this is the perfect value? Then this is the perfect value by use the standard value and comparing with the standard value. For the standard value, this is called the line standard, in which we are measure the basic lengths and compare with the standard length of the any object. This is called the line standard. In case of end standard, the length being measured is expressed as the distance between two surface or ends. If we are in case of you can measure the ends of the end distance, then it's called the end standards. This is the referred as obviously end standard, just like slip gauge, end bars, micrometers are comes in the this category. The end faces are hardened, lab flat and parallel to a heavy high degree or accuracy. This form of measurement is very convenient to use in tool rooms, laboratory, workshop and etc. This is the end standard. Next one is the wavelength standard, in which we are measure the spectra of the any wave. This is the called the wavelength standard measurements. This is the used to measure the wavelengths of spectra. You can measure the wavelength of any rays which is coming from sun and which is emitted from the any object, any sources. So this is the measurements of the wavelengths of any spectra. In the past, the radiation from the standard source and the source under study were superimposed on the slit of a spectrometer and then known as wavelength standard. This is the basic wavelength standard. We are measure the wavelength of the spectra. This is called the wavelength standard. These are the three standards of measurements: line standard, end standard and wavelength standards. Next one is the interchangeability. In this slide given about the interchangeability and how to find and how to define the interchangeability. This is given in this slides. Interchangeability can refers to interchangeable parts, the ability to select component for assembly at random and fit them together within the proper tolerance. This is the called the interchangeability. You can the randomly selection of the object is called the interchangeability. Next one example is given interchangeability. The ability then object can be replaced by another object without affecting code using the object. Interchangeably, you can easily interchange the things without affecting the any object. That is called the interchangeability, means simple replacement of the object. That's it called the interchangeability. Third point is given the implementation of standard in industry and commerce become highly important with the onset of the industrial revolution and the need for high precision machine tools and interchangeable parts. This is the other definition for the interchangeability. Next is the unit system of measurement. Actually, so this is the basic unit system of measurement. You can the measure of the any object and you can show the measurement of any object in terms of unit system. Just example, you can measure a length of the object. You can represent the length of object in a unit system. If the length of object is you are given in meter, in centimeter, in mm, in yard, in foot, then you can just show the measurement by the using of unit system. How to measure the length by the using of some equipment. There are the four types of unit system measurements: CGS system, FPS system, MKS and SI system. So these are the four system. By using of this measurement system, you can just show the measurement unit. This is used for the to show the quantity of measurements. That is called the unit of system of measurement. This is defined in the next slide. First, you have to units of measurement system, SI system. SI system is the standardization implementation system. These are the unit system in which we have defined the some parameters in terms of kilogram for mass, which is given in this slide. Second, for time, use the kg kilograms for mass and the weight of the product. And the second is used for the time, they are denoted by S. Kelvin used for the temperature, denoted by K. Ampere used for electric current, this is denoted by capital A. Mole is a amount of substance, is a count by the mole, denoted by MOL. And candela is the luminous intensity of any lights, is denoted by CD. And meter for distance, measurement of distance, denoted by M. This is the SI system. Under this SI system, we are using these parameters for the showing of measurement of the any objects. Same as for MKS system, meter kilogram second. This is the full form of the MKS system. The unit says the meter, kilogram and second as its base units. Although the MKS system does not include units of electricity or magnetization, the SI system, which is also based on the meter, kilogram and second. All the things and all the measurement is so by in meter, kilogram in terms of second. This is called the MKS system. It means that length is measured by meter, mass is measured by kilogram, time in second, force is Newton, energy in joule. This is the comparison value, simplified value of power in watt, pressure in pascal, plane angle is radian, solid angle is steradian. So this is the simple MKS system. Mass, kilogram, sorry, meter, kilogram and second. Next one is the FPS and CGS system. FPS is the foot pound second system. The unit is so in foot pound and second. Means that in this system the unit builds up three fundamental units of foot for the length, and second pound for the mass, and second for the time. This is the FPS unit, foot pound and second. Next one is the CGS system. CGS is the centigram, centimeter, gram and second system. This is the system at which we are some variant metric system based on the centimeter as per unit for length, gram for mass and time for second. The unit of time is same for all the system is second, and the sum of the parameter is changed according to the MKS, CGS, SI and FPS system, just like mass, length of object is changed according to using of their system. Next one is the applications. Most of the applications of some measurement system used for showing the measurement and analyzing of your data. You can easily understand about that. Just application which is written here in this slide: inline measurements, wave measurements, comparing various units. If you show the comparison of any value, then you can show the comparison value in form of units, and wave measurements and other the line measure. You can send show the your data and output values in the form of unit system. Second is the use in of thermometers for using to sensing or measuring the temperature. Barometer is used for the measuring of pressure and water and gases. Electric meters used for to measure the electricity. It means measurement of voltage, just like electric currents and powers via electric meters are used. Second, automotive speedometer used for the measurement of speed of the automobile. Fuel gauge used for checking of fuel, and compass is used for the measurement of earthquake and other zones. This is the various applications of measurement, and measurements is used in the most of all the fields for measuring and analysis of and comparison of your data to the standard value. This is about of measurements. And last one is the some questions are arises for the measurement system. Thus you define the unit system, you can explain the interchangeability, you can explain the measurements, you can define the various types of standard of measurement, and you can also explain the applications of measurement. So there are so many questions are arises according to your given topic. So you can also read it and you can give the answer of the various questions.